This case is a Ultra HD whole body PET, and it's a great case to highlight a nice feature of the multimodality viewer. It's the ability to create a threshold and identify every lesion in the body based off that threshold. So again, we can create presets if there are values that you use most commonly, and if not, you can always change the value on the fly. But here with only one click, now I've created a full body volume. If I hover above, then I get the size, the SUV max, mean, and the total lesion volume and SUV values, so total lesion glycolysis in this case, for the entire study. Of course, in here there are not just lesions, there are a few normal organs. So brings me to this next tool, the blob splitter. So all I have to do is click a specific volume and I can remove it from the full volume. So here in only a few clicks, I was able to remove my normal organs. And I'm left with a remainder volume. And again, I have size, SUV max, mean, and total. I can go one step further if I right click on this remainder at this split option. So I can say I'm only interested in volumes that are above 5 mil. And here it keeps the biggest 25 regions are now highlighted, and it keeps the rest as part of a remainder, which I could split again if I wanted to, if I wanted a full list of all the lesions. So here, as you can see, it did that within 1 second, so it's very fast. The computation capabilities of the multimodality viewer is great. And now if I hover above any of those regions, then I can get the values for each individual lesion. Again, if I double click, it will triangulate to that lesion, and I could select all of those and export them as a DICOM segmentation. So this is a great example of a case where you don't want to manually identify each and every lesion, so you can use the threshold tool to identify everything and then remove what you don't want and split the full volume into smaller individual lesions afterwards if you decide to.